Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, it's a fun one. A lot of you have been asking about this. I'm going to be showing you and going over the difference between the volume in an extension that has been pre-heat styled opposed to the volume from a brand new extension straight out of package. So let's go ahead and get this new one unpackaged so that I can show you how big of a difference the volume is between a brand new one and one that has been previously heat styled. So when a human hair extension comes out of the package, keep in mind that it's been folded and it's been in there, and for however many weeks it's been stored in there. And the cuticle layer has been smooth and sealed and really, really nicely processed for you. So when you see our extensions on all of our videos that you see, they're so beautiful and full and luscious and very thick in volume. And it's because they have been previously heat styled before shooting those videos. So when you take your brand new one out of package and it's not very full, it's just kind of straight and flat and lifeless, that just means that it needs a little love and some heat styling to get that volume to perk up and to become more human-like. So I'm going to go ahead and show you curling this one on camera so that you can see it come to life, and then you'll see how much more similar they are next to each other after I get this one curled. Okay, you guys, so we're all finished curling the brand new one, and I did just go over a couple sections on the top because this is our layered extension, and so that just helps pull out a little more of the layers out of it from being brand new. And look at how beautiful, luscious, and thick that volume is now. And this is the previously curled one that I showed you in the beginning of the video. For comparison, I did not recurl this one at all, and so it is going to look a little more looser curled compared to the brand new curled. But there they are. As you can see now, the volume is thicker in both. It's even and similar to what it looked like brand new out of the package. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to email us at accounts@hiddencrown.com and we'd be happy to assist you further. And also make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms down below to stay in the know on everything Hidden Crown. And make sure to check out these videos that relate to the video you just watched.